Hi, we're from the psychology programs in the Faculty of Education at Monash University. COVID-19 has impacted how we all live our lives, but it is now time to return to wellness. We can do this by understanding our seeds. Seeds help us to manage our health and stand for social connection, exercise, education, diet, and sleep.
Social connection, as the name suggests, is a feeling that we belong to a group and that we generally feel close with other people. As newborns, we relied on social connection to survive. Throughout life, many aspects of our health and well-being are reliant on social connection, including living longer, being happier, and keeping our minds sharp. Throughout the COVID-19 lockdowns, we experienced what it was like to not feel as socially connected. The time has come to be socially connected again. And at Return to Wellbeing, we will discuss how to plant and grow this seed.
So COVID-19 impacted your ability to exercise. Exercise does great things for brain blood flow, growing new brain cells, and reducing and repairing damage done to the brain caused by stress. And you've taken the first step in nurturing your exercise seed by being part of the active Monash community.
Education and lifelong learning. Your brain needs lifelong learning to remain healthy. The latest research indicates that lifelong learning may prevent the onset of brain diseases like Alzheimer's. Grow your tree of knowledge with the abundance of learning opportunities that are all around you. We will give you tips and strategies, get your curiosity fired up, and plant the seeds of learning.
The D in seeds stands for diet. Do you know what fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and whole grains all have in common? They can improve your nutritional profile, boost your mood, and make you feel amazing. We're here to tell you all about it. We will share with you some behavioural strategies that will help you nourish this seed.
The final S in the SEEDS acronym is sleep. Did you know that insomnia impacts up to 1 in 3 Australian adults? Sleep is essential for not only our physical and mental health, but our overall well-being. We'll debunk some of the common myths related to sleep. And finally, we'll share some tips on sleep health, how to avoid sleep traps, identify red flags, and practice good sleep hygiene.
Come join us at Oakley to learn how to nourish your seeds.